Ever wondered who pulls the strings behind a successful project? Who's the maestro synchronizing all the moving parts? Welcome to the thrilling world of project management, where every day is a new challenge, a new opportunity. It's a world where strategic thinking meets practical execution, where leadership and organization are the keys to success. It's a world that's often overlooked, but without which most projects would fail. Intrigued yet? Good. Stay tuned as we unravel the role of a project manager. A project manager is the glue holding all the pieces of a project together. Imagine yourself at the helm of a ship, navigating through the rough seas of deadlines, budgets, and stakeholder expectations. You're responsible for planning the route, that's your project plan. You execute the journey, ensuring all hands on deck are working in harmony, and you're the one to oversee that every task is sailing smoothly towards its destination. Not only are you the navigator, but you're also the communicator, the problem solver, the decision maker. You're the one who ensures everyone on board, your team members, stakeholders, clients, are all on the same page. You're responsible for keeping the project afloat, making sure it stays on course and reaches its destination on time and within budget. You're the one who ensures that the project delivers its promised value. As a project manager, you are the captain of your ship, steering it to its destination. Being a project manager requires a unique set of skills and tools. Let's delve into what these are. First off, leadership is key. As a project manager, you are the captain of the ship, guiding your team towards the completion of the project. This involves making important decisions and ensuring everyone is on board with the project's goals. Communication is also crucial. You'll need to convey complex ideas in a way that everyone can understand. This involves liaising with stakeholders, managing expectations, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Risk management is another vital skill. You'll have to anticipate potential challenges and devise strategies to mitigate them. Now let's talk tools. Software like Microsoft Project, Jira, or Asana can help you plan, track, and manage your project efficiently. These tools can help you keep an eye on the big picture while also managing the nitty-gritty details. With the right skills and tools, a project manager can turn any vision into reality. Every job has its challenges and rewards, and project management is no different. Imagine juggling a diverse team, each with their own strengths, weaknesses, and quirks. Now couple that with the ticking clock of a looming deadline. It's like running a marathon with a team where everyone needs to cross the finish line together on time. Then there are the unforeseen issues that pop up. The supplier who's late with a delivery, the unexpected budget cuts, the sudden change in project scope, all while maintaining a cool head and a clear vision. But let's flip the coin. Picture the triumph when your team delivers an incredible project on time and within budget. The satisfaction of seeing your project come to life, impacting real people in real ways. And don't forget the potential for career progression, the chance to grow, to learn, to achieve. The journey of a project manager is filled with challenges, but the rewards make it all worthwhile. So, you're intrigued by the world of project management? Here's how you can get started. Becoming a project manager is a journey of continuous learning and growth. While a bachelor's degree in business or a related field is a great starting point, it's not the only path. Some successful project managers have degrees in fields as diverse as engineering, marketing, or even the arts. Next up, consider getting a certification in project management. The Project Management Professional or PMP certification is a globally recognized one that can boost your credibility and employability. But remember, it's not just about the paper, it's about the skills and knowledge you acquire. Now let's talk about experience. Project management is all about application. Start by seeking opportunities to lead projects in your current role, no matter how small. Every bit of experience adds up. As for career paths, project management can take you places. You could work in various industries from tech to healthcare, or opt for a specialized role like an IT project manager or a construction project manager. The world is your oyster. Lastly, remember that project management is as much about people as it is about projects. Brush up on your communication, leadership, and problem-solving skills. A successful project manager isn't just a taskmaster, but a team builder. Your journey to becoming a project manager starts now. Are you ready to take the helm?